Hey guys, it's Booney's Gangsta coming at you once again. It's 6:30 at night right now. My truck's been sitting for an entire day and all of yesterday without being started. It's -3 out right now, -3 degrees Celsius, so it's a little bit chilly. But I'm gonna go fire up the truck and give you guys a cold start. As you can see, it kind of snowed a little bit yesterday, so. Yeah, I'm just going to go walk over the truck and give it a quick cold start for you guys so you guys can see how well she handles the cold. So, hold on a sec, let me grab my keys. Okay, I'm going to put you guys down so you guys can watch too. As you can see, it took a little bit of cranking this time to get her going. Again, it's been sitting all day and all day yesterday in like -3, and I think overnight it hit like a low of -14 degrees Celsius, so it's gonna of course take a little bit of time. So yeah, she's cold. But now I'm gonna have to cut the video short because I've just been warming it up real quick because I'm going over to the girlfriend's after. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy my videos. More cold starts to come as the weather gets colder and colder. I'm fucking shivering, that's why it's shaky. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. This is Booney's Gangsta signing off. Peace.